Now see here, we'll see some problems. Now in the problems, always remember the value of D, that is a common difference, may be positive, negative or zero in an AP. Always remember, common difference may be negative, may be positive or it may be zero. Now here one question is given now. Which of the following sequence is an AP? If they are AP, means arithmetic progression, find the common difference. Now we have to see whether they are arithmetic progression or not. Now see here, terms are given. So this term is T1. T1 is equal to 2. T2 is equal to 4. T3 is equal to 6. T4 is equal to 8. Now if we see, if we subtract T2 minus T1, we will get T2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. T4 minus T3, 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Now you can see that the difference is common. Common difference is same. Now we can say the common difference between consecutive terms, or else we can say between terms is a constant, that is D is equal to 2, hence it is an AP, arithmetic progression. This is given. Now second, now here you can see the numbers are something different. T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to next term, that is 5 by 2, T3 is equal to 3, T4 is equal to 7 by 2. Now if you see here, we will find first common difference, means consecutive term subtraction. T2 minus T1 equal to 5 by 2 minus 2 gives us, now see here, 5 by 2 minus 2. If we multiply by 2, 5 minus 4 divided by 2 gives us half. Now T3 minus T2, T3 is 3 minus 5 by 2, multiply this to get same denominator, 6 minus 5 divided by 2 gives us half. Now see T4 is equal to T4 minus, we can write T3, so that is equal to 7 by 2 minus 3, multiply again, 7 minus 6 by 2 gives us half. So here D is equal to half is a constant. So common difference between the consecutive term is constant, that is difference is constant. So we can say this is an AP. Now see the next question. Here you can see T1 is equal to minus 10, T2 is equal to minus 6, T3 is equal to minus 2, T4 is equal to 2. Now you can subtract T2 minus T1. T2 is nothing but minus 6, minus of minus 10, minus 6 plus 10 gives us 4. Now T3 minus T2, consecutive term subtraction. T3 is nothing but minus 2, minus of minus 6. See here, what will get? Minus 2 plus 6 gives us 4. Now T4 minus T3, T4, 2 minus of minus 2 gives us 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Now here we can see that difference is a constant, that is D is equal to how much? It is a 4, hence it is an AP. Now next term, you can see this. T1 is equal to minus 1 by 5, T2 is equal to minus 1 by 5, T3 is equal to minus 1 by 5. This is going on. Now, if we subtract T2 minus T1, by looking only, we can say that the common difference is 0, but still we will calculate it. Minus 1 by 5 minus of minus 1 by 5 gives us minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 gives us 0. Now T3 minus T2, here also there is, we can write minus 1 by 5, it is going on. So this is minus 1 by 5 minus of minus 1 by 5, the same procedure will be repeated number of times, so we'll get the common difference 0. Here difference is a constant, so D is equal to 0, hence it is AP and AP. See, okay.